Today let us make the most lovable cake, chocolate cake. It is so delicious and simple that you can make easily at home with your basic baking ingredients.
Hello and welcome to Spoiled by Coco. My name is Apurvi and in this channel I share with you Eggless recipes. So let's get baking.
First let us combine dry ingredients in a bowl. 58 grams of all-purpose flour, 18 grams cocoa powder and 5 gram cornflour. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon baking soda. Use a good quality one as it will help your eggless cake to rise properly. Keep it aside. In a glass, take 35 ml milk and add 5 ml vinegar. Mix and keep this homemade buttermilk aside for 10 minutes. In the meanwhile, let us also prepare our cake tin. Here I am using a 4-inch tin with removable base. I'll apply some oil for easy demolding. Then place my reusable baking paper and keep it aside. Now in a bowl, add 30 gram yogurt, 21 gram castor sugar or fine sugar. Whisk till the sugar gets dissolved completely. For this reason, do not use granulated sugar as it will get difficult to dissolve it completely. Now add 32 gram flavorless oil, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract or essence. Mix everything together. Getting the sugar to dissolve is important as this will help in getting soft cake. Now add all the dry ingredients. Add it in 2 parts, alternating with the buttermilk we made earlier. Mix the first batch. Now add the second part of the dry ingredients and buttermilk and mix. Adding both curd and buttermilk will make our eggless cake soft and moist. Mix only until all the dry ingredients are combined. Do not overmix the batter. Overmixing will get you a dense cake. Now I am going to add chopped walnuts into my cake. Walnut goes really well with the chocolate. You can skip if you like. I'll add 25 to 30 gram walnuts. Add them in the batter and mix. Pour the chocolate cake batter into a prepared tin. Smooth the top to help get even rise while you bake. Bake it in a preheated oven at 170 Celsius for 15 to 18 minutes. The time differs from oven to oven, so keep close eye and bake it until a skewer inserted in the center of the cake comes out clean. Take it out of the oven and leave it to cool to room temperature. Then demold it carefully and leave it to cool completely on a wire rack.
Please give a video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel. Also do not forget to turn on the bell icon so that you can get notified each time I share a new recipe.
In the meanwhile, let us prepare our easy chocolate ganache. Chop 50 gram of dark chocolate and add it in 50 grams of hot cream. I have microwaved the cream for 30 seconds. Mix till all the chocolate melts and is well incorporated. Now add some chopped walnuts, which is again optional. Mix and refrigerate for 20 minutes. Now let us plate our cooled cake and apply chilled chocolate ganache on top. Let us cut a slice of our cake. It is soft, tender and melt in your mouth chocolate cake. Thank you for watching Spoiled by Coco.